This is a 32-inch curved computer monitor from Samsung. This is a 1500R curved screen with bezel-less design. A 1500R monitor allows you to maximize the benefits of using a curved display, providing you with even higher levels of immersion and comfort, which creates less eye strain, especially during long gaming sessions. This model is the CR50. The CR50 gives you 31.5 inches of diagonal width. The CR50 also supports AMD FreeSync and has a 75 Hz refresh rate. This monitor is 1080p, which is not 4K or even 2K. What comes with this monitor? Let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, first looks like we get a stand. And a standard monitor cable. And HDMI cable, and we'll be using that. Looks like the setup guide and warranty information. Looks like the power cord. And a bracket for wire management. And this is the power supply that plugs into the monitor and plugs into the power cord. And this is the bracket that sits on the stand that connects to the monitor. Like this. Okay, let's go ahead and get the monitor out. It's packaged well in styrofoam, so it won't get damaged. For a 32-inch monitor, this is not very heavy. I like that. Okay, let's look at the connections on the back of the monitor. First, we have an HDMI port, which we'll be using to connect to our PC. This is a standard display port. We will not be using that. This is the connection for the power supply and the headphone jack right there. And this is where the stand connects right here. If you're going to wall mount this, these are the 4 screws for the wall mount. And this button right here on the back controls all the menus. And I'll show you that later. Let's go ahead and put the stand together. This bracket connects to the stand, and then we screw it into the stand from underneath. Make sure that screw is tight as possible. Next, just slide the bracket into the back of the monitor. You'll hear it snap in place. And that's it. We're all set up and ready to go. This is our third Samsung 32-inch curved monitor. And we bought our previous 2 monitors about 2 years ago. And the model we purchased was a CF391. The CF391 has a larger bezel. Both are a glossy white, and the stands do not adjust or even swivel. And the refresh rate for the CF391 is 60 Hz. The CF391 has an 1800R rating. This curve rating is less immersive and can strain the eyes. What's really nice about this newer Samsung monitor is the stand moves up and down, and the refresh rate is 75 Hz. Now, even though this is called a bezel-less monitor, there is a tiny bezel around the screen. And the color of this bezel is black. And it's kind of shiny. It gives the monitor a nice look. The stand looks more solid than previous models. The menus are pretty much the same, and both models are plug and play, so there's no software to install. So if you're looking for a budget gaming monitor that's 32 inches and curved, then take a good look at this Samsung monitor. We highly recommend it. Well guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love them, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive.